Yeah, I'm just lagging, bro.
Did you do your drivers?
Yeah, I did. Up and then I stopped shooting. I just looked at him and he starts shaking his head. No, no. Oh, it's these guys. Oh, you're.
Yo, what are the odds of this skin being exactly the same as me?
Bus, your song played last song, right? Yeah, playing about.
Oh, this is the dude. This is the same dude.
Oh
This
no.
is the same dude.
What was that, Lucid? You got me the Blue Ranger. Nice. Thanks, Lucid. Thanks, Lucid. Appreciate it. Ah! Can't get up
Chill,
there.
Goofy, top of the morning, man. Whoa, you got a
Up here on
team
the hill,
on
at
you?
least two up there.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Are they fighting now? Oh, I'm pushing.
Another shot.
Oh no.
Hey! Let me up. I'm sorry. Hi there, Lucid. Lucid's just always knocked everywhere I go, bro. Everywhere I go, he's just
Bro, what
knocked,
the-
just staring at me. Hey.
These guys are so bad. Yeah, I'm just lagging, bro.
Did you do your drivers?
Yeah, I did. Updated.
Damn.
There's a hammer
Yeah,
here.
so I think it
Like
just
I
might
said-
be my computer being on for how long.
Like I said, my buddies did DX12 and they said that helped with the framing.
Alright.
Who, Divine?
Oh.
Yeah,
My
Divine
bad.
and Dolphin both were getting it really
This
bad.
is
They did
Lucid
that.
or what?
What kind of FP? Oh, sheesh, get the fuck out of me, bro.
Who is that?
Yeah.
Can't tell which one is Lucid anymore. Oh, I don't know. I'm not going in there. Oh my.
Yeah, the frame drop is atrocious.
It's 200 me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, yo, what's up, Code? How you doing, dude?
Oh yeah, I'm getting out of here. It's just, I'm not trying to.
Ain't no way, bro.
What the? Ah, what the? Ah, you little rat! Dude,
I'm getting footsteps on me, bro.
you guys see where I'm at?
All the big blocks didn't do that.
What are you doing over here, buddy? Jesus Christ! Give a grown man a heart attack.
Bro, this is. I'm sick and tired of this. Yeah, I'm cool.
What did you just hit? You just had me have a heart attack.
There's a
Like, what is
box
this
in
dude
here?
doing this far in storm, just chilling? Ryan Krauts walking in a fucking taco shop.
I'm getting shot from everywhere, but holy
How's it going? You can just see how it's going, bro. I just had a heart attack.
fuck.
It's fun though. We're vibing, bugging people up. Just,
Oh my god, bro. These
oh man, I suck. I suck, Code.
two teams.
I'm
Yeah.
fighting Storm for a minute. I'm coming though.
Some annoying ass changes. Fucking sitting and strong.
Oh my god, look at that movement.
I got your
Take,
stuff.
take. I will take it all. Maybe a little extra over there. Maybe one over here just in case I need to go that way. Right. Woo.
Oh
I do
my
need to go
God.
this way. That's. Oh shit. Oh, that's the one. Whoa, what the fuck? What the fuck? I just got fried from over there, guys.
Updated.
Damn.
There's a hammer
Yeah,
here.
so I think it
Like
just
I
might
said-
be my computer being on for how long.
Like I said, my buddies did DX12 and they said that helped with the framing.
Alright.
Who, did mine?
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh,
the mine
Brian.
and Dolphin both were getting it really